morning, guys. It's your boy coming back with another flawless video here. Now, let's get our day started. Again, we got a couple cars today. You know, it's probably getting monotonous that I say that, but this is what we do for a living. So, come along with us. Let's see kind of windows we take, kind of see what our day goes like. Cause our day is very sporadic. We're very sporadic people. But, yeah, starting up the M4 right now. It's about 50 degrees out, so gotta let that cold start sit a little bit. And this car is quiet, but like the C8 and stuff, you know, I shake the neighbor's house. Speed 3, I definitely blow the neighbor's house's windows out. So let's roll over to the shop and let's go. So every day is not gonna be perfect. You show up at 9 a.m., people pay deposits, and they still don't show up in our area. So I got another customer coming in that was like our 12 o'clock, do some chrome deletes, but they'll be here soon. Me and him are just gonna go grab breakfast, take it for what it is, man. So it hurts because during the winter time we get pretty slow, but we make the best of it. We make sure that we got a reserve on the background. But let's we're gonna work on the BMW a little bit, so let's roll.
How you really feel about the seats?
That's how I feel about those GTD seats. They're horrible, bro.
Guy's bitching about a $500,000 car.
And we got better seats in a $60,000 car.
With a $15,000 option.
Well, that GTD, he bought the maxed option, dude. That's all they offered for him.
Moral of the story is damn bitches. Going to Jimmy's Quick Lunch for breakfast.
Oh, they got the John's restaurant. You ate there before, right?
This guy's taking me to the breakfast spot for the 97-year-olds. I don't expect much.
For 90 what? Alrighty, guys, we're back at the shop. Got some breakfast because of the cancellations, but this is the chrome delete that we're gonna be doing. Gotta make sure we get this all crispy and gloss black for our customer, and this is gonna be awesome. Alrighty, guys, chrome delete is done. You want to take a look at it? Let's go. Chrome delete came out. Oh, she's all done, both directions. Let's go get the customer and let's get her checked out.
All the dogs.
You're not like us.
Wait, I thought that was a dog.
Yeah, you're not like us, huh? Bro, look at your hair, dude. What does that do? So guys, we got this awesome 30-foot retractable. I think it's Giraffe Tools, but
It says Giraffe Tools right on the front.
yeah, I don't know if it's giraffe or graffiti. I don't know. I can't read. But cleaning out the Corvette interior because it needs it drastically. Because this guy over here lives in it. Yeah. 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 Alright, guys, we cleaned the Corvette interior. Let's go take a look at it quick here. Gotta clean the outside though. It's a little scruffy, but got all that leather all shined up and everything like that. The only problem that we have, this mark from day one, it's driving me nuts. We need to do carbon. What are these guys doing, bro?
That was him.
This cold start on this Beamer that we're working on is crazy. He don't got his exhaust connected, man. Wild. Can hear the turbo a little bit. Car's all done though. Y'all ready to witness something? I'm about to beat him in a race. Look at he's behind me. He's losing. We tint the windshield. Yeah, really. What'd you say?
We tinting the windshield.
You're gonna make fun of me? You don't even wipe your ass or wear underwear. just let it fall down your leg,
You
bro.
show your titties in public.
And
Let's show them the picture.
man, bro, I don't even care, bro.
No.
They're meant to be shown.
No. Wait, is he still alive?
No.
Gone Oliver.
No. Guys, so this color on the Elantra, put it down in the comment section right now. This color on the Elantra. We're gonna have this dude, Ethan, wrap it this color. It gotta get wrapped this color.
So we decided to clean the vet just because it was needed, but it's gonna get dirty anyway in one day. So let's take a look at this. What are you guys choosing? C8 or M4? Let me know. Let's hit that cinematic.